Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Tech Inside. I am Gyan. Today we will uncover some of the hidden Excel gems and take our skills to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest insight. Let's get started. So, first one, let's see how to hide a few of the values from this particular table. So now if you see this, if I select this entire column, you will see a sum of this value here. Say if I want to hide a value without removing the value from this, how you can do that? Select this value and then right click, go to the format cells, go to the custom and then type three semicolons here and then click on OK. You will see immediately the it's showing a blank value here, but then behind the scene there is still value here, you can see at the top here. And when you click on this, you will still see the sum. It is not calculating the sum value here for this particular value. So it's useful when you want to hide few of the values and you don't want to sum the values, right? You can do this in this manner without removing the values. Next one, this is sales by month. Now I want to represent this value in a graph way. How can I do that? Type equal, type repetition, rept, open bracket, and then put a pipe symbol here in double quotes, comma, and then select this and press enter. Now drag it till end. Now what you can do is select this column, okay, and go and type or select a font says playbill. In this case, it will give a nice intuitive graph over here. Now if I change the value, let's say from 40, it will increase the graph here. Similarly, if I want to reduce it 25, you will see this change here. So this is how you can create a graph using a Rept function. Next one, flash fill. What this function does is, now let's say you have first name, last name here as a full name, okay. Now you want to segregate those words. You might have heard this segregation multiple times in my previous video also with different tricks and tips. This is the third one where I am showing this how you can segregate this. So type John, type Doe here, then place your cursor here and type Ctrl+E. What it does is it understands what you have written here, the words from the first column here. Similarly, place your cursor here, press Ctrl+E. You will see it has bring the second words also here. So this is how you can segregate the word. Now you may see, let's say if I have a word in between, let's say Emily, or let's say if I have here Laura, still will it recognize or not? Let's see if it recognizes or not. Let's type John, type Doe here, type Ctrl+E. It does bring the first word here. Now let's type Doe here and then place your cursor on the first cell and then type Ctrl+E. You will see it has got the last word here in this case. So it has not picked the middle word. Had I entered second word here, it would have picked up the second word here in this case. So that's where the flash fill function is used. Next one. Now I have column here product 1, product 2. Now you would see a duplicate values in both the cases, right? I would see item 4, item 4 here. Now let's say I want to find out the duplicate values. How can I do that? Select the entire table, go to the condition formatting, go to the highlight cell rules, click on duplicate values. It will highlight all the duplicate values which is there in this to list here. Next one. Now somewhere let's say you have copied a content from some other sources and it has come into this particular format which is not in readable one, right? Somewhere you may see bold, underline, italic font, some different orientation, color formatting, and so on. Now you just want to make it a plain text, right? Which is in readable format. One simple shortcut you can apply it over here is select the entire table here, go to the home tab, then go to the editing here. You will click on this one. You will see a option here, clear format. Just click on this. It will give you in the simple tabular format here, and it will remove all the formattings. Next one. This is one column here. Now I want to find out the unique values in this product list. How can I do that? Type press equal. I want to find out the unique values. How can I do that? Type equal unique. Select this array, round bracket close, enter. Now you will see this, it has identified only distinct unique values here. Now if I want to sort this value also, I can just put a sort function here and then close the round bracket. So it has sorted the values on that unique values here. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us in today's session. We value your feedback, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Share this content with your friends and subscribe to our network for more amazing updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.